You can save a search in Media Management and run it at a later time. Here's how. Start by running a search. To learn more about running a search from the dynamic search bar or running an advanced search, watch the other videos in this series. To save this search, click Save Search. Enter a name and description. To make this search available to only you, click Private. To make this search available to all users, click Public. To make this search available to one or more user groups, click Group. Let's click Group. Select the checkboxes of the groups who will have access to your search. To display only user groups that are selected, select the Only Show Selected Groups checkbox. If you create a saved search and share it with user groups that you don't belong to, you can still see your saved search. To move this search to the top of the saved search list and mark it with a star, select Favorite. To save the search, click Save. And that's how you save a search in Media Management. For more Media Management search tips, watch the other videos in this series.